All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company out here in Sandusky County. Let's check this one out here, 28 by 32, 10 feet tall here on the sidewall eaves. And then in this video, I'm gonna give you an idea. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the components of this. I'm also gonna share with you just the lumber that we use, 1650 lumber, the trusses on this, how we designed this, but you can see the overhead doors were installed. But again, 28 by 32, concrete was poured. But again, I want to go back to this 2x6 here. This is a building that's not real tall, so you can see this. A guy asked if we toenail that. You see, we don't toenail that. We take the blocks of 2x6, put 4 nails in there. And you see how we do that? We buttress that right against the truss. Okay, instead of toenailing that in there, we put that 2x6 right there. So that's an easier way to see that. And then over here, you can see it as well. That obviously is right there on the post, so you don't need to do that. But over here, see that 2x6 right there? We take the 2x6s instead of toenailing. We think obviously that makes it stronger. All right, you can see this building Housewrap. Again, nominal cost, fractional cost, we talked about a number of times on these videos. And it's worth it. But I also want to show you here, check out this truss. Again, only 28 feet in width here. And you can see right there, let me get up a little closer here. All right, I'm only 6'1", but I got a 6'5" wingspan. So let's see here. See that it's a 1650 2x6 bottom cord. Okay, we designed this through MyTech Engineering. That's our engineering firm out of Chicago, but 2x6 bottom cord, and then you can see 2x4 top cord on these trusses. Obviously your load strength's gotta be here on the bottom cord. But that's 1650 lumber, 1650 lumber. All right, so, and then we use vapor barrier, as you probably can see right there. All right, so Silverline windows that we use, Anderson, good quality window, as you probably see right here as well. Again, 2x6s, actually 2x4s, excuse me, 2x4s, 2 foot on center right here, Sandusky County. Again, depends on the zoning, counties that we're working in. And then we also use this right here, this overhead door, Clopay. We like Clopays. Clopay's a good brand, good solid door. And I know there's different ones out there, but Clopay, good solid door. And then also a Therma-Tru, and you can see this concrete's got a little bit of mud on it, but Therma-Tru, nice solid door. Again, you wanna stay away from the cheap doors. Cheap doors, you wanna stay away from that rust. But again, 3-ply laminated columns, again, spliced. You can see finger jointed, glued, laminated together, treated at the bottom. You can see, very popular choice. Very rarely, we don't use too many 6x6s in smaller buildings, yes. Some 6x6s and 4x6s, not so much anymore. Maybe on really, really small buildings, but you can see pressure point 1 and a pressure point 2, and then also pressure point 3. And you can see right here, this thing had a cantilever. You can see it, so there's an open exposed area out there, and I'll go out there in a moment here and show you. But what you can do, if you're concerned about, you know, birds getting down in there, I've seen it, you can put Housewrap up, you can put some type of sheeting up there. Different ways to do that. And that way, that exposed area over there, that overhang, but it's a cantilever, and you can see it's one truss. All right, so in a lot of the other ones you've seen, there's trusses. You got your normal truss, and then you have your mono truss, okay? Depending on how wide the porch is. But this is a cantilever setup. All right. You can see how that's set up there. Cantilever on this building right here. All right, so for those of you who want to know color there's a red, obviously, and then that's a clay. That's a clay color. So red and clay were the colors chosen on this one. So another post frame wrapped up here by Attica Lumber Company. And always welcome your comments. So leave your comments in the section. And until the next one, keep it locked and loaded right here. Attica Lumber. Attica Lumber since 1925.